Hi, I'm Alex, head of R&D and production. I'm part of the team that builds your exhaust here at Milltek Corp. Now let's go meet the rest of the guys leading production.
Can you introduce yourself and tell us your role at Milltek?
I'm Brett Webb. I'm the production supervisor here at Milltek.
Yeah, my name is Bradley Wade, and I'm lead fabricator and welder here at Milltek.
What were you doing before joining Milltek?
I was working in another fabrication shop, just working with stainless steel, building gas tanks and exhausts.
I spent years as a master technician, working on cars, joined the Air Force and used that training to kind of develop and refine performance products on my own time. Before Milltek, I was in the medical manufacturing industry. We made dialysis solution.
What made Milltek feel like the right opportunity for you?
For years now, I wanted to be in the automotive industry. I liked working in medical, but cars is where I feel at home.
What do you think sets Milltek apart from other companies or brands?
You know, attention to quality and customer service in general, and just wanting to provide the best product that we possibly can for the customer.
What does it mean to you to be a part of this next chapter, bringing production to the U.S.?
I'm very excited about this next chapter here for Milltek. Me and Alex have been working tirelessly getting these machines in place and getting them dialed in so we can keep up our high standards. And for me, it's just pride. I'm very excited to bring this here and know that it's right and that we built it.
What do you want people to feel when they hear a performance exhaust system built in this facility?
I want you to feel emotional about it, you know? I want you to have that amazing feeling every time you step on the gas and you hear what your car's supposed to sound like.
What part of the process gives you the most pride when an exhaust system comes together?
Just knowing that every different aspect, from the cutting to the sizing to the shaping to the welding, when all of those different pieces come together and it fits perfectly, it's a good feeling. You know you did it right, you know your team's working their butt off and they're making sure all their ends are together, and it's just a good feeling. Hearing it, seeing people's reactions to it, that's what it's all about. I mean,
how are you helping develop or shape the team around you?
Just trying to work hard, be positive, and motivate these guys. They're only going to work as hard as you work with them.
If you had to sum up your mindset in one word when you're working on a Milltek exhaust system, what would it be and why?
It'd be pride. I want to have pride in my work. I want all these guys to be proud of all the hard work that they put in here. And I also want the community to be able to recognize us and know that we're putting in hard work and that we're dedicated to quality and performance.
Anticipation, being able to fabricate parts and see them all come together as a final product.
I would say emotion. You know, I want to create a product that the customer can really feel and enjoy rather than just being loud.
Yeah, that's a wrap.
Cool, we're good.
That's all we need.
Thanks, man.
Hopefully that gives you a better look at the people behind our US production. Next week, we are diving into the machines. Got our state-of-the-art tube and sheet laser, a brand new bender, and a bunch of other machines. More importantly, we're going to show you how all this will make your experience as a customer even better. We'll catch you next week.